Have you ever wondered how to make money online? It's a question that has sparked curiosity in countless minds across the globe. In this digital age, the fascination with online money-making has grown exponentially. It's not just about the allure of quick cash. It's about the promise of freedom, the potential for independence, and the prospect of controlling your own financial destiny. People are drawn to the idea of making money online for a myriad of reasons. Some are enticed by the flexibility it offers, allowing them to work from anywhere, at any time. Others relish the independence of being their own boss, free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. And then there are those who are captivated by the potential for high earnings, driven by stories of internet millionaires who've made their fortunes online. So, let's dive into the fascinating topic of making money online, because who knows, the next success story could very well be yours. The first step in making money online is understanding the basics. Let's start with the different ways you can earn an income in the vast digital world, shall we? First off, selling products or services. This could be anything from handmade crafts to digital products like ebooks or courses. You could set up your own website or use an established platform like Etsy or Amazon. Next, we have blogging. If you have a knack for writing and a topic you're passionate about, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or even by selling products or services related to your blog's content. Affiliate marketing is another popular method. This involves promoting a product or service from a third-party company on your website or social media platforms. When someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. Online tutoring is a growing field as well. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can offer your services as a tutor and conduct lessons via video call. Freelancing is another versatile option. You can offer a wide range of services, from web design to content writing, and work with clients all over the world. Now, it's important to note that making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and dedication. You need to have a clear plan and realistic expectations. Don't expect to earn a six-figure income overnight, but with consistency and hard work, you can certainly build a sustainable online income. Remember, the internet is a vast, ever-changing landscape. What works today might not work tomorrow. So it's crucial to keep learning, adapting, and evolving your strategies. Just like any business venture, there will be challenges and setbacks. But don't let that discourage you. Instead, view these as opportunities to learn and grow. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to delve deeper into each method. Selling products or services online is one of the most direct ways to make money. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you've got a product or a service that you're passionate about. Now, how do you get it out there into the vast digital marketplace? The first step is setting up an online store. Today there are several platforms that make it easy to create a professional, user-friendly online store. From Shopify to Etsy, WooCommerce to BigCommerce, choose a platform that best suits your needs. But what if you're offering a service? Well, there are platforms for that too. Whether you're a graphic designer, a virtual assistant, a life coach, or a yoga instructor, websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer can help you connect with clients from all over the world. Now let's talk about the importance of identifying a niche market. You see, the internet is a crowded place. To stand out, you need to find your own corner of the market, a niche where you can become the go-to expert. This will make it easier for you to target your marketing efforts and attract the right customers. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a unique selling proposition. This is what sets your product or service apart from the competition. It could be anything from a unique design, exceptional quality, or outstanding customer service. Your unique selling proposition is your secret sauce, the reason customers should choose you over others. But selling online isn't just about having a great product or service. It's also about building trust. Customers want to know that they're dealing with a reputable seller. So make sure your online store or service profile is professional and trustworthy. Use high-quality images, write clear and concise product descriptions, and make sure your contact information is easily accessible. Remember, success in selling online comes from offering value and building trust with your customers. So, find your niche, create a unique selling proposition, and build a reputation for excellence. And before you know it, you'll be making money online. Blogging and affiliate marketing are great ways to earn passive income online. Now, let's delve into the world of blogging. Imagine having a digital diary where you share your thoughts, ideas, or expertise on a specific topic. That's essentially what a blog is. But how does it generate income? There are several ways. Firstly, you can monetize your blog through advertisements. By using platforms like Google AdSense, you can earn money every time a visitor clicks on an ad placed on your blog. It's a simple and effective way to generate revenue from your content. Secondly, you can create sponsored posts. Companies may approach you to write a review or a post about their product or service. In return, they pay you a fee. This method works best when your blog has established a sizable and engaged audience. Lastly, there's affiliate marketing, which can be a game changer. This involves promoting other people's products or services on your blog. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The more traffic your blog attracts, the more potential there is for affiliate sales. So, how do you become an affiliate marketer? First, you need to join an affiliate program. Many companies, from tech giants like Amazon to smaller niche businesses, offer affiliate programs. Once you're approved, you'll receive unique affiliate links for their products. You can then incorporate these links into your blog posts or social media content. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is promoting products that align with your blog's content and audience. If you run a fitness blog, for example, it would make sense to affiliate with fitness-related products. This way, you're providing value to your readers and increasing the likelihood of them making a purchase. Affiliate marketing and blogging require time, patience, and consistent effort. They may not yield immediate results, but with persistence and strategic planning, they can become a significant source of income. With patience and consistent effort, blogging and affiliate marketing can become a significant source of income. If you have a skill or expertise, you can make money online by tutoring or freelancing. Now let's delve into the world of online tutoring and freelancing. This corner of the internet is where your skills or expertise can truly shine. From mathematics to music, coding to creative writing, there's an online platform waiting to connect you with eager learners or clients. To get started as an online tutor, platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare are a great place to start. These platforms allow you to create and sell courses on a vast array of topics. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one tutoring sessions over video calls. This personalized approach can often command a higher price. As for freelancing, websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to offer your services to a global audience. From graphic design to copywriting, programming to virtual assistants, the possibilities are virtually endless. All you need to do is create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on relevant projects. The beauty of online tutoring and freelancing lies in their flexibility. You can work from the comfort of your own home, or from a beach in Bali if that's more your style. You can set your own rates and choose projects that align with your interests and values. Plus, the more experience and positive reviews you gain, the more you can charge for your services. But remember, while the internet brings the world to your doorstep, it also brings the world's competition. It's crucial to continuously hone your skills, stay updated on industry trends, and deliver top-notch work consistently. And let's not forget the importance of networking. Building relationships with your students or clients can lead to repeat business and referrals, further boosting your online income. So, whether you're a mathematician, a writer, or a graphic designer, there's a market for your skills online. The world is your oyster, and with the right skills and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, you can create a lucrative online career from the comfort of your own home or anywhere else in the world. Whether you're a mathematician, a writer, or a graphic designer, there's a market for your skills online. Now that we've covered the different ways to make money online, it's time to take action. Embarking on this journey may seem daunting, but remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. They all had their first step, their first sale, their first win. And you're about to have yours. The world of online money-making is wide and varied, brimming with opportunities just waiting to be seized. It's a vast ocean, and you're about to cast your net. Whether you're selling products, offering services, blogging, affiliate marketing, tutoring, or freelancing, there's a place for you. But let's be clear, success won't come overnight. It's a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of grit. There will be hurdles and setbacks, but each one is a stepping stone, leading you closer to your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start your online money-making journey today.